Welcome to the ultimate game presso. Let's play Saving the Environment, a delightful project sponsored by Mr. DIY and University Malaya.
Hi, my name is Afifah. I work with you, my teammates.
Oh, hello there. My name is Chukas.
Oh, hi, my name is Sarah Hanami. Hi, my name is Sultan. Oh, hi, my name is Afina Sarah.
This is our school.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised.
This video is brought to you by our group, ASTORIA. Our product is Portable Learning Kit. Let's get started.
The problem nowadays is that students feel bored when studying. Then, there is no communication between students and teachers. Lastly, teachers felt it was difficult to teach outside the class.
Our strategy when making this product is to help teachers teach in a more effective way. Next, students can be more focused and inventive in class. Lastly, it can help students polish their memorization skills.
The problem solving that we find throughout the process are: make a game after learning process with teacher about the related topic. Second one, study outside of the class to prevent students from getting bored and sleepy. Third one, make a portable learning kit to make it easier for teacher to teach anywhere outside of the class.
Our product consists variety of games, whiteboard or blackboard, and this portable learning kit also can customize on our own self. The advantages of this product are portable to use for outdoor activity, easy to store, affordable, reusable, and can attract students to learn with this kit.
This is our product sketch.
What do you need? Our main tools is use cardboards. First, we need ice cream stick, watercolor, ribbon, and velcro straps. Second, we need wood, A2 card, mini whiteboard, and wheels.
The total of the estimated cost is only 60 ringgit and 2 cents.
By making this product, we can reduce the cardboard waste in the environment. So, it can save environment by helping in reducing global warming. Next, it can reduce energy consumption. Thirdly, it helps resaving the forest. Lastly, it enables more landfill space to become available.
That is all from us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Oh, hi.
Aku nak buat apa?
Alah sama. Pensel tak pengen.
Dah ke?
Sementara tu, kita nak rakam sekolah yang cantik ni. Jom,
Kita
kita nak
rakam
rakam
diri
diri
sendiri.
sendiri yang cantik ni.
Lagi.